Assalamu alaikum. Today let us learn about another medicinal field, that is naturopathy. Naturopathy is a system of healthcare which promotes the body's own self-healing mechanism. It is a system that uses natural remedies to help the body heal by itself. There are many therapies which includes herbs, massage, acupuncture, exercise and nutritional counseling. Principles of naturopathy. Naturopathy is based on the principles and employs various therapies and diagnostic tools. As long as a therapist follows these naturopathic principles, he can be called as naturopathic therapist. Let us look on to some of the naturopathic principles. First one is the healing power of nature. The body can heal itself by giving the right condition and the treatment. So there is a vital force which is stimulated to promote health. Second principle is treat the cause, not a symptom. That means here it does not treat by suppressing the symptoms, but it identifies the underlying cause of the illness. Next is treat the whole person. That means it recognizes a patient's individuality by taking into account the individual's physical, mental, genetic, environmental, social and other factors. Next is prevention is preferable to cure. That means we prefer prevention in order to keep the vital force at all times at its optimum. Next, education. That means the naturopath educates his patients by bringing a better understanding of health, how to maintain it and how to avoid getting sick. So this way the patient can take the responsibility for himself. Next, we look on to naturopathic modalities which is used to treat a disease. Some of the most common naturopathic modalities include, they are clinical nutrition, botanical medicine or herbalism, homeopathic medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture, physical medicine, hydrotherapy, prevention and lifestyle counseling, hygiene therapy and nature care. Let us look on to these modalities one by one. First, naturopathic nutritionist. So naturopathic nutritionist, they focus on use of whole and organic food as medicine, then importance of detoxification and cleansing, and they look at constitution of a patient. Next is homeopathy. This medical system uses highly diluted natural substances to treat the illness. So some conditions that do not respond well to conventional medicine, it may respond to homeopathy. Next is acupuncturist. A naturopathic acupuncturist focuses on the traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture and treating the whole person, not a symptom, by applying additional natural therapies like nutrition, first aid, homeopathy, Bach flowers, tissue salts, iridology and herbs. Next is naturopathic herbalist. A naturopathic herbalist focuses on naturopathic principles and prescribes herbs for the individual. taking all symptoms into consideration. The use of organic herbs wherever possible and use of herbs according to the constitution of a patient. Next, natural chef. A naturopathic chef always focuses on the nutritional value of the organic food, which is minimally processed and procured in season. Then there is no single dietary regimen which is appropriate for everyone. Then individualized food which can enhance health. Next modality is hydrotherapy or water therapy. In this therapy, the use of hot and cold compresses, it might be used for certain conditions to influence the flow of blood and body heat. Now let's look on to naturopathic treatment, how we can treat using naturopathy. One is by clinical nutrition. Clinical nutrition is a practice of using food to maintain health, to prevent sickness and treat illness. Application includes dietary recommendations based on the presenting symptoms and clinical assessment, which include the utilization of targeted vitamin and nutrient therapy, which is given orally and through IV. Counseling and stress management. For the prevention and the treatment of illness, the doctors incorporate counseling, biofeedback, and other mind-body techniques. Next is botanical medicine. It is also known as herbal medicine. In this, it uses plants as medicine. So many plant substances are powerful, safe, and effective medicines when used properly. Another kind of treatment is physical medicine. It includes naturopathic manipulation of the muscles, bones, and spines. It also uses application of hot and cold, gentle electrical impulse, therapeutic ultrasound, hydrotherapy, and exercise therapy. Minor surgery. Naturopathic doctors are trained to perform minor surgery, which includes repair of superficial wounds and removal of foreign bodies, cysts, and other superficial masses with use of local anesthesia as needed. Let us look on to the difference between Ayurveda and naturopathy. Naturopathy, it is a science of medicine that uses plants and their extracts for curing ailments. But Ayurveda, it is a centuries old Hindu science of therapeutics that involves the use of medicinal plant extracts along with the metal extractions, massages, etc. Ayurveda deals with preventing ailments, whereas naturopathy, it concentrates more on providing natural therapeutic treatments for diseases. Naturopathy focuses more on natural healing aids rather than the herbs and surgeries, while Ayurveda, it makes use of various surgical proceedings, massage, herbal medications, and yoga as a part of their treatments. Now let us look what are the benefits of naturopathy. Naturopathy can treat a variety of disorders. Many of the common ailments are treated by traditional medicine, which can also be treated holistically by naturopathic physician. So some of the most common types of disorders treated using naturopathic medicines are digestive disorders, allergies, headaches, and common colds. Skin conditions may also be treated, such as eczema and psoriasis. So there are several holistic approaches to treating mental disorders like anxiety and depression. So nutrition is another part of the naturopathic process, which is also a key part of managing your symptoms. Another benefit is naturopathy can be a great sleeping aid. If you are experiencing insomnia or other sleep disorders, naturopathic medicine offers a solution. Rather than taking sleep aids in the form of prescription drugs, you can use many of the herbal treatments offered or can engage in a nutritional regimen that will ultimately help you better so that you can get a good sleep. Naturopathy can also be used for disease prevention. The most effective way to combat disease is to prevent it from developing in the first place, and that is one of the central aims of naturopathic medicine. So disease prevention is at the forefront of the field, and proper nutrition is one of the ways to gain a healthy body and a healthy immune system. Another benefit is naturopathy involves alternative therapy. There are many treatment options in naturopathic medicine. A naturopathic doctor can employ the use of supplements and herbs, botanical remedies, homeopathy, perform Reiki and acupuncture, or use a combination of these treatment options. So, nutritional counseling is also often used along with these therapies. We all know naturopathy has lots of benefits, but now let us look on to the disadvantages of naturopathy. What are the drawbacks of naturopathic medicines? First is a suspicious public. That means despite naturopathy's growing popularity in the West, the general public is still largely suspicious of alternative healing methods. Another disadvantage is limited patient base. That means the naturopathic services are covered under a patient's health insurance, which varies from state to state, because most insurance companies do not cover services provided under the naturopathy. So many patients have to pay out of pocket. So this will limit your client base to a population with a certain income and may exclude those who most need your services. Another disadvantage is licensure. That means only 16 states license naturopathic physicians according to the January 2013 report. So to practice naturopathic medicine in those states, you must obtain a license according to that state's specific licensing requirements. For that, you must first pass the naturopathic physician's licensing examination. Not all naturopathic doctors are eligible to take that NPLEX exam. But to sit for the exam, you must have graduated from a school with special accreditation by the Council on Naturopathic Medical Education. Another disadvantage is liability. That is, some naturopathic practitioners are opposed to licensing and prefer to practice on their own terms while allowing the patients to make their own decisions about their health. So these naturopathic doctors will work in the states without licensing requirements. So however, practicing any form of medicine without a license naturally, it opens the practitioners to lawsuits. So you must acquaint yourself with local laws. Other disadvantages are naturopathy cannot overcome some infection and diseases without the help of other treatments. In this case, naturopathy can only be used as a complementary treatment. Some naturopathic herbs can cause severe allergies that reacts to other medications or affect the patient's lifestyle. Another disadvantage is inappropriate for some health conditions. That is, modern day medicine treats serious and sudden health illnesses much more effectively as compared to naturopathic medicine. Naturopathic practitioners may not be able to cure serious trauma like a broken leg and can't treat heart attack or appendicitis also. Another disadvantage is regulation. That means prescription drugs come with rigorous standards that many nutritional supplements aren't held to. That means there can be adulterations in the natural based products you are taking without any guidance from a professional doctor. Another disadvantage is long procedure. That is, the natural approach to treat illness involves a huge study and understanding of the background also. So, considering this factor, treating the patient using naturopathic medicine is quite a long process. Every human body has its own working system, and that's why it might take lots of time for the patient to get used to the specific medicine. Last but not the least, one more disadvantage is health risk. As part of a natural manipulated treatment, the naturopathic doctor may apply some pressure and force to your spine. It can seriously damage nerves, bones, spinal disc, and arteries. The naturopathic treatments are designed to remove the toxins from your body. So this can involve cutting out or avoiding certain foods. It can be quite dangerous for patients having some chronic problems such as diabetes. Plus, if you are on the diet for a very long time, then you can be at risk of not consuming sufficient important nutrients.